Hello, David here, and the project for today is a review of the Husky floor mat liner for the 2018 Toyota RAV4. When I bought the RAV4 in April, I did some research on floor liners. I wanted something American made. I wanted something that was form fitted. I wanted something that would cover the left footrest for the driver, and that's this part over here. That's going to cover that part. The factory floor carpet mats don't cover that footrest. About a month after I bought the car, I did some research online and I found two American-made form-fitting floor mats that don't need cutting. There was Husky and WeatherTech. At the time, WeatherTech costs more, but when I bought these, I went straight for the Husky because I thought it was cheaper than WeatherTech. And after I bought the Husky, I noticed that WeatherTech was about $20 or $30 cheaper. So no matter, it's not a big deal. I like these. They have a lifetime warranty, and they do fit very well. So this is a three-piece set. There's two pieces for the front. The back seat area is one piece that straddles over the hump from left to right. And for the cargo area, it already has this rubber floor mat over here, so that's why I get another one. And it does a good job of protecting the carpeted area underneath. The manufacturer's instructions are to remove the carpeted carpet liners before you install these, and it's particularly important on the driver's side because it's got these locking slots where these lock down, and the purpose for that is that it doesn't bunch up under the accelerator pedal, because that could be a safety hazard. Okay, this is the factory mat on the driver's side. See where it doesn't cover that footrest over there. Turn this to unlock it. Before you put the new mat in, make sure you vacuum the carpet off really well. Down here, at your gas filler door latch, this part has to be bent so it fits under the latch. And that's all there is to it. Make sure you bend the mat under the accelerator pedal. The front passenger mat is much easier to do because there's nothing holding it down. So I already took the liberty of removing the factory mat. It's that easy. For the rear seat area, the factory carpet liners are two-piece liners. I'm going to leave those in place. I like how these are form-fitted to fit the car. I think you can't go wrong with either Husky or WeatherTech. They seem to be both good brands. They'll last a long time and they'll protect your carpeting. And they have a cupped area that'll collect water. So if you get a lot of mud or snow or rain in there, it'll be easy to take out the liner and dump it. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.